It's fake. It was a lie.
Was it a lie?
Yeah. Somebody called and said they were on the internet. It wasn't.
Man. Hey, Aaron, what do you think about this?
The administration sucks.
Oh, man.
It was a lie.
It was a lie?
It was a lie.
I have to read my English assignment for tomorrow?
Yes.
I have to study for my test at 2 o'clock. I hate the administration. They should all go, well, out there in the freezer or in the off. Well, I think.
Okay, sorry to bother you, but I thought I'd better check. Okay, thank you.
Big John.
So, Big John, we are risking the lives of many.
The last statement was a false statement. As of 10:45 p.m. Thursday evening, I just spoke with the Honorable Dean Arnett. Classes will meet as scheduled unless the Lord returns before 7:40.
They really want to kill someone, don't they?
Brace yourself. Have a good evening. If anything changes, I will let you know.
That's it. That's Dean Arnett right there. He changed his mind. Say we riot.
All right.
Who's up for a
What
riot?
do you say?
We gotta walk through the campus tomorrow with branches flying on our heads. People gotta drive here. They can't get
Because I figure that your heart is right and you're ready. And to live is Christ and to die is gain. And you're drawn from both sides, not knowing which is the best. To depart and be with Christ or to reign on in the flesh. But it's no more necessary for your sake.
Big John, what do you think about this hoax? Do you think it has permanently damaged the students of High Rise and their attitude toward the faculty?
Toward the faculty on what?
Do you think that they're bitter because they're going to have to go to class tomorrow?
Bitter? I think students are bitter?
Yes.
Oh,
I know.
only if
Kill the administration!
only if they're common.
Riot.
Kill them!
I'm so bitter.
If they're not ruled by common sense, then they're probably not.
Thank you.
He's beat me by 1,000 points.
Chris, Dwayne, Jeff trying to escape, John, Ben, and Brad. As you can fully hear, the fire alarm is going off in the hallway. It's very distressing.
I'd just like to say that I'm an English major and I'm available.
I'm not available, so don't even try.
What do you kids think about all the fun that we've been having tonight?
I said...
I am not gonna do it. Not that stupid. Here are puddles of water left from people on the 6th floor who decided, amidst all the chaos, to pour gallons and gallons of water down the stair shaft.
I'm going to see you one more time. After that, I'm going to Triton and you can't go with me. No matter, I know you want to.
Please, Jeff.
No.
Please, let me.
Jeff, we want to go, Jeff. Censor. Jeff. We want to go, Jeff. We love you, Jeff.
Hey, I think we need to film the guys breaking the busting the thing on the other side.
Hey, hey, are they breaking something? Well, by golly, let's go get it on film.
Hey, does anybody want to cut the...
Yes? We're not, I don't think we should cut anything. I just want to see what's going on. No. Playing basketball.
In the building.
Takes incredibly cool people to play basketball in this hallway.
What are you guys trying to do? Take off
I'll
the
stand.
tape? You guys trying to take off the tape? Seriously, you guys trying to take off the tape?
I'm blind now.
Take off what? You're trying to take off the whole damn thing, dude.
That is so annoying.
What time is it now, John?
It is now.
It's now.
1:23 and 27 seconds.
1:23 and 27 seconds. This is the kind of thing that we have going on in high-rise at this time of the morning. I'm going to brave it.
We're going the elevator
I'm
route.
going to take the elevator up to
We
the
are
second
going the
floor.
elevator route,
We're going
guys.
to see what's going on.
Let's go to these.
Hey, guys, what if the power goes off again?
We're going up to the second floor.
I hope that, I'm sorry, I hope that.
John, you realize we're going to die.
Yes, we are going the elevator route. Oh, we have made it up here. Let's ring it out.
We have made it. Let's not try it anymore. See what's going
We
on.
are here now. We are here. We
Cool
made it to
things.
the first, second
Cool
floor.
things going on.
We made it to the second floor. No, thank you,
Oh
Michael.
no, what are you? No. Thanks.
Look at this beautiful sign
so
here,
sorry I
Justin.
missed
This
that.
365-day sign. Isn't that beautiful? Get a shot at that sign.
That's lovely. That's lovely.
John.
Let's go.
Get your hand.
No, Big John went upstairs, right? No, he's not going down there. He did go up to, he's right here. Elevator.
Should have had that out with a transformer.
Yeah, I know. I wish I had. It's icy.
The whole sky was yellow.
I know. I saw it. It's gorgeous. It's unbelievable.
Dustin! There's Mr. Stevens. Where have you been? I want a sweatshirt.
My mom, she works for the power every time.
Hey, what are you doing, man? Look what you did. Come on. Hey, John, you want me to turn this off? I don't know. I don't think anybody turned it on.
Okay, here we go again. The lights are out. Hey, can't even see your hand in front of your face. Now you can, because we have a little bit of light right here. Not much else, though. Nothing in the lobby, except for a small light down at the end of the hall. There we go. Got a little bit. Yay.
Oh, it's light.
Just gotta let itself run through there.
Show it under Jeff's chin.
Goes about 5 seconds or so.
It is Jeffrey Upton, King of Darkness.
It'll go off about 10 or 15 seconds. And then that's it.
Who do we have here in this evil abode?
No, they
Dona es requiem.
No
This is kinda
show
scary.
in el piquero, mi perontes es zapatos.
No. Okay, here we go again. All the lights are on and they are off.
This is me going insane.
This is me looking at my wings.
Something like the destruction of nature. Should have seen it after that hurricane.
Hey, Brad. Hey, hold the light up under your face and give me a quack.
Wow. You know, the Nazis weren't so bad.
Don't get...
John, play it for me, John. Now you can do the satanic face. I can't see anything. Try it again. Oh man, all I can see is a big bright spot. I can't see anything. Can't even make out your face. Oh my, it's the second of coming. That's pretty nasty. Thank you, bro. Turn him away now.
Too much fun.
All that cold air like brush. Hey, so,
No, Danny's just,
he's just, weird?
No. It was
Hit
better
it
the
right
first
on
time.
the nose.
No. My name is...
It's just not spontaneous the next time. Nah.
Okay, one time for the camera.
Trying to say something
One time
more?
for the camera.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The other sitting there, and Jeffrey Dahmer looked at Lorraine and Bob and said, "Hey, you want to eat that?"
Well, I'll just throw it out the window here.
Yeah, these three retarded kids. and they were going, they were just walking down the street going beep, 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 top it off, they had athlete's feet. That's an old song. But anyway, I feel like telling a ghost story. Bad song. But anyway, they come to this ice cream thingy, this little shop thing, you know, where they meet out ice
It's really
cream.
late and we're bored.
Yes, I know. And, oh, you're talking to him. But anyway, so the proprietor of this little shop thingy, thing on wheels, ice cream cart, I don't know where this is coming from. The proprietor, that's a big word.
This joke is really long.
You know, Brad, you look really...
And then they started discussing European foreign policy.
You look really fat in the camera.
Boom!
Oh, you just got bags under your eyes. You look nasty.
Anyway, so the guy goes, if you can clap your hands 3 times, you'll get an ice cream cone. First kid goes, and the guy goes, sorry, can't give you the ice cream cone. Second kid goes, and he goes, sorry, I can't give you the ice cream cone. Third kid goes, made that sound. The guy goes, here's your ice cream cone. Third kid goes, sorry.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Just down your pants.
Something like that.
Something wicked this way comes.
Hey, I'm the most mature person here.
Let's have a seance,
And I'm
man.
really worried about the rest of us.
Going Ouija board or something?
That's like,
Will classes be canceled tomorrow?
I've got a satanic Bible and some women's clothes.
canceled tomorrow. The steam plant's been shut down.
we ain't no steam plant though. We're students at DLU.
Wow.
We don't need no stinking steam plant.
No, we don't.
Seriously, guys.
Or no
The
stinking
guy that
fancy.
runs the steam plant and Big John and head security officers talking.
What do they say?
Oh, that's what that was.
They're talking, but what do they say?
Had it cold.
But he just said that it wouldn't be canceled unless the second comes.
This could only be funny at 2 o'clock in the morning.
These jokes are really stupid.
Yes, they are.
With absolutely no heat. And a man named Bubba.
I'm about to break out into women-like giggles. Yes, I am.
That was okay. I was young.
I needed the money.
I got the spirit of Morris.
I'm starting to like Morris more and more. I think you get an extension on my paper.
Wow, this really works. And I'm blinding right now. Whoops. Into the bathroom. I'm not stupid. May not be real, Bride, but...
He's like set for the action. He comes back.
Just ran the one safe like the bathroom.
No, there it is. Here's
Flashlight back.
Jonathan is the man. Jonathan is
Good
the man.
Lord! Good Lord!
Even at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Do your one. Back off. Back off.
Oh my God!
goodness.
Polar bear and a black bear. Wow, a black bear in a black cave. Yes,
Oh my gosh, is the power off?
Oh my God!
Something.
When did that happen?
Something is going on
When did
here.
the power go off?
They're not telling us something. I don't know what. I do not know.
4:32 p.m., February 11th, 1993. And here we are at one of my favorite places in the entire world, the rest area at Dixon, just outside of Nashville, Tennessee. Brad, what do you think about this rest area?
I think it's great.
I think it's great too. Shall we get something to drink?
Shall we?
Okay, let's go.
There's no power in Davidson County.
Whoops. Too bad. We're not going to get anything to drink. Well, too bad. Well, shall we go then?
Safe place to do it would be right here on the side of this building.